Wil.Daria Jackson Ligonier here of the New Year Power Couple, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up your first Zoom conference. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you are using Chrome, because Zoom runs on Chrome, and you're going to see what I mean in a second. So what you want to do is you want to go to Chrome extension, and you want to download the app. So you're going to go to the Chrome extension store. When you get to the search, you're going to type in Zoom. Just type in Zoom. You want to scroll down to the one that says Zoom Scheduler. And as you can see, I already downloaded it. So if on yours, it will say add to Chrome, and you will just click down to Chrome, and then it will go through the download process. Once you have done that, then you want to go to, oops, I don't know what, oh, okay, no, we're good. Then you want to type in zoom.us, and you're going to come to a screen like this. So before I log into my account, I just want to bring to your attention the pricing. So there is a free account, and the free account will allow up to 100 participants, which is really cool. And you only have 40 minutes. So if you know you're going to be using this a lot, and you know you're going to go over 40 minutes, you might want to go and upgrade to the Pro, which is only $14.99 per month. Okay. And with the Pro, with the Pro, you have some cool features. The one thing that I really like about it is the custom personal ID. So when you send someone your ID, you can customize it to your business or to your organization. All right. And as you can see, you can do a lot of really cool things with it. You can have a meeting as long as 24 hours. So if you know you're going to be doing a lot of meetings and they're going to go over 40 minutes, is worth the $14.99. And then as you go on, they have the business package and the enterprise package. I happen to have the enterprise package. All right. So I want to sign in just so you could see what it looks like. So I'm going to sign in with Google. All right, so this is what the your dashboard looks like. I want to bring to your attention how you can set it up. So you can put your picture, your name. This is the actual link that you will give out to those that you want to invite to your meeting. And then you can also personalize it or customize it. So we put the New York Power Couple after hours. So we send this link out to people that we want to invite to our Zoom meetings, but it's masked. It masks this link here. Now, for some people, they may need this link because this is the meeting ID, which is the 733, etc. here at the end. So what I normally do is I may give this link, and then I make sure that I copy and paste these numbers just in case they come through their iPad or their iPhone, or their cell phone, and they may need that ID to get in. All right. So I'm going to go through the process. Oh yeah, there's a couple other things I do want to show you guys. Let me see. Um, that's the account profile. There's a couple of things that you can set up. Here we go. All right, so you can schedule meetings. You can. I would leave all of these the way they are, but there was something else I wanted to show you. Let's see. You definitely want to have screen sharing. So pretty much I left all of these. I really didn't change any of these. I left it. You can have a virtual background if you want. So if you don't want to show the background that you're actually in and you want to put a nice fancy background, you could do that. So you may want to look at these settings and set this up. Okay, so here's some options here that you can take a moment and customize to your use. You can do webinars. You can schedule a webinar. You can also record, which is great. What's this? Meetings. Yes, you can schedule meetings. All right. So let's move on. So this is how you host a meeting. You go to host meeting, and from here you can also join a meeting as well. So host a meeting, meaning that you're the one that's going to set up the meeting. So you always want to do it with video on. And another window will pop up and you will say open, click on open zoom.us. And here you are, right? So when you first open up your Zoom meeting, you're seeing yourself. No one is there yet because the meeting cannot start unless you're there, right? So once you are there will be an option up here where you can put it on gallery view. And once you put it on gallery view, you could see everybody that is joining your meeting all at the same time. And I like to see that so I can see people as they're popping on, and then I can see everyone as I'm speaking to them. Here's some options that you may like. You can share your screen. So let's say you wanted to share, I don't know, whatever it is that you want to share. So you just click on the actual screen. What I like to do is make sure that I have the item up already, so that way I know where to click. So right now it's going to go to my Zoom screen where I started and share my screen. So this is where I started. This is letting me know that this has launched, and then I can just go anywhere on my computer that I like and share my screen and maybe do a tutorial or anything like that, or show someone how to do something. But I can go anywhere on my computer, and everyone that is watching, everyone that's on my Zoom can see my screen. Okay, so that's a very good feature. All right, and if you want, and then you can move this stuff around. Yeah, you could just move the box around. You can move all this around so that people can really see what it is that you're trying to show them. And then when you're ready to end the screen share, you just click this button here. All right, so you end the screen share. Now what's really cool is people that are on your Zoom, you can manage the participants that are there. So let's say there's somebody in your that's on your Zoom and they want to show you something. So that means you can click on their name and then you can make them a co-host, and then they can share their screen and they can take control and show you whatever it is or share the entire conference. Everyone that's on the conference, share to everyone that's on the conference whatever it is that they want to share. So this is pretty much how you do a Zoom meeting. So you just make sure that you hover at the bottom. If you don't want to be seen, you can just click on stop video, and then it will just show your picture. Right? If you want to mute participants because they have a lot of background noise, you can mute everyone, and then you just click the mute button here. That way everybody is muted. You don't hear everything that's going on, but they can still hear you. If you want people to put information in the chat box, like put in the chat box your phone number if you don't have everybody's phone number, or put in the chat box that any questions you may have, whatever it is that you're doing in your video, in your conference, you can have them chat with you that way as well. Um, Customarily, people may say, well, I need to jump off, I gotta go. They might put it in the chat instead of just leaving. All right, you can also record. There's the more button, and you can go live on Facebook depending on what package you have. You can go live on YouTube, and you can do a custom live stream service. Um, One last thing, if you're not sure how to invite people, or where to find, I should say, where to find the link to join them once you set up your free account or your account. When you invite people, the meeting ID is on the top here. You can also use an email. You can copy the URL to your browser and then just paste it. There is an invitation that is copied to the browser as well, and then you can paste it wherever you want to paste it. So that's pretty much it. You have all the tools, everything that you need so that you can have a successful first meeting. All right, so thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Have an amazing day.